So let us assume that if fx is a polynomial and x minus a is a factor of fx. Okay, so if x minus a is a factor of fx, then this x minus a will definitely divide fx. Okay, so in that case, we just check that if x minus a is a factor of fx, then I can say that x will be equal to a, and if I put this x is equal to a in f, then f of a is equal to 0. I'll just frame it again in simple words. If x minus a is a factor of fx, then f of a is equal to 0. This is called as factor theorem. It is a very obvious thing that if there is any polynomial or a function which is getting divided by a factor, and if after division we are getting remainder as 0, it means it is completely divisible. So that is what we are showing over here. F of a is a remainder. Okay, so if that remainder thing is creating confusion, you can keep it aside. But yeah, if x minus a is a factor of fx, then f of a is equal to 0. If it would have been x plus a as a factor, then we would have said f of minus a is equal to 0. So this you should be able to change as per the questions. This is called as factor theorem.